Hello everyone, how are you? Hello Hippo, thank you for joining us. Okay, now that we've read 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, now we can do it ourselves. So here we have 5 little monkeys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sitting in a tree. Here's the tree, a large tree branch. And here we have Mr. Crocodile. Mr. Crocodile. We can do it ourselves. So we need our monkeys. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys. We need a tree. Here's my tree. Big tree branch. And we need Mr. Crocodile, of course. Mr. Crocodile comes slowly, and snap. There's Mr. Crocodile. So, are you ready? 5 little monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. Tease Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap. Oh no! Where is she? Now there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is he? Now there are 3 little monkeys. 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is he? Now we have 2 little monkeys. 1, 2. 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is she? Now there's 1 little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is he? Now there are no, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. And they don't tease Mr. Crocodile again. Whew. Thank you. Bye-bye.